Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to navigate through our website to find the correct flow sensor. So here we are, the website is www.ifm.com/us. That's how you get here. Okay? And to get to the flow sensors, where you go is you click on process sensors, then you hover over flow sensors, and you click browse products. That will take you to the flow sensor homepage. And so we have 6 different entries here. Okay, and we're going to walk through all of them so that you know how to select the right flow sensor for the right application. Okay, let's start here. This is our SM flow meter. The SM flow meter is for conductive liquids. So water or water-based liquids are proper for this flow sensor. And the way that you navigate to it is you see all these vertical bars here. Select product, key features, learn more, applications. We're going to go through all of these so that you know how to navigate. If you click on Select Product, this is where you can select the proper flow rate for your applications, and clicking on it will take you to the correct set of sensors for your application. Let's go back. If we click on Key Features, this will tell you what type of applications that is rated for. For water and water-based media, up to 160 gallons per minute. Pipe sizes up to 2 inches. These are the different outputs. This is the way that you can set the digital outputs. Okay, so those are key features. If you click on Learn More, you can get a video introduction.
Hi, I'm Carl Klinger, Director of Product Marketing at IFM.
Okay, so that's where you can see the videos. You can see a virtual demo. Okay, and on this demo, you can click on Technology. And you can read, it'll give you a display here and you can read what's going on. And you can click through and watch the animations. These will help you get a better idea. You can click through all these icons and these are different animations that you can walk through. Okay, so these are animations that can get you familiar with the product. Also in this Learn More section, you can click on the brochure. Okay, so here is the PDF, which you can zoom in on. Okay. And also there is a media compatibility chart for this product. And this will let you know which media is appropriate for using with the SM flow meter. Okay, and then if you click on applications, this is a list of applications where these sensors are used. Okay, so let's click on one of them. Here's an application for cooling water. Here's an application for cooling water, and these are all for cooling water, it looks like. There's another one for welding. So there's an application on a welding robot. Here's one on vacuum systems. Okay, so these are a bunch of different applications that you can use to see if any of them fit something similar to what you're doing. Okay, so that is the SM flow meter. It's used for water and water-based media. This flow meter here is the SU ultrasonic flow meter. This is used for clean or DI water, oil, or glycol. Okay, and the same thing applies. You can click on whichever model that you like for your flow rate. The key features. There's a video introduction, demos and brochures, and also some applications. Okay, so this flow meter is for clean water or DI water, clean oils, and glycol. What this sensor doesn't like is bubbles in the water or debris in the water. Okay, this next sensor over here is the SD gas flow meter. This meter is used mostly for compressed air, but it also can be used for nitrogen, argon. We have a model that will handle those different gases. Okay, but same thing. You pick your flow rate, see some key features, see a video and learn more, and then see some applications. These sensors, these bottom 3 sensors here, they all have 2 outputs. You can get 2 switching outputs. You can get a switch and an analog output. The SM flow meter also has a model that has 2 analog outputs, one on temperature and one on flow. But these are all meters. What if all you want is a flow switch? That's where these products up on top come in. Okay, and the first sensor they're going to talk about is this SI flow switch. Okay, if you click on Learn More, you can click on the video introduction.
IFM's flow switch technology is based on a thermal dispersion sensing principle. In this technology, the insertion style sensor tip is heated, and the amount of heat removal is directly
Okay, so you see, the way this sensor works is you heat the tip, and as the media flows, you measure the amount of heat removal. Okay, so this sensor comes in an AC relay option, a DC switching, PNP or NPN. There's also an analog version, and we also have a tri-clamp for food and beverage applications. Okay, this sensor here, the SF, is very similar to the SI. It operates in the same principle. We heat the tip and then we measure the amount of heat removal. The difference here is that the evaluation units, these head units, are separate from the probes. So you attach the head unit to the probe by a patch cable. That way you can get this head unit out of the way in case it's a hot area or just a not convenient area to being able to see the LEDs light up. We also have this DIN rail mounted unit. Okay, so these are really the same type of product, it's just these are remote mounted evaluation units. These products are both for liquids or gases, and it is just a switch point. Okay, and the last flow device is the SB flow switch. Now if you look back to this SI flow switch, what's the only drawback to this? If we're heating the tip and we are measuring the amount of heat removed, what happens if your media changes temperature often? This will give this sensor problems. That's where this sensor comes in. The way this sensor operates, let's go and watch the video real quick. And I'll fast forward to a part that we're interested in.
In this cutaway, you can see that IFM's mechatronic flow sensor utilizes a spring-supported piston that is lifted by the flowing medium. The piston position is detected via an inductive sensor, and its output is a binary signal. This allows...
Okay, so basically what you're doing is you're turning this knob to move the sensor in or out, and that will set the flow rate switch point. Okay? But because this is a spring and a plunger, this sensor does not care about changing temperature of the fluid. So if you have a coolant fluid that is constantly changing temperature, this can be a great application if all you need is a switch. Okay, so that takes care of the vast majority of our flow sensors. We do have others, but if you have any more questions, feel free to call customer support at 800-441-8246, or you can get a hold of your local field sales engineer and they will be happy to help. Okay, so thank you very much and have a nice day.